Hello everyone, so welcome back into my seventh video of today on 8th December 2024. As you know, I know you are with me, and let's start today's video without wasting our time. So just start. Imagine soaring through the air on the most dangerous zipline ride ever. Today we are diving into MrBeast's wild journey that combines thrill and finance in a way you have never seen before. Picture this, imagine this, a zip line that stretches over 1,000 feet high and suspended between two cliffs. Okay, with two cliffs, with nothing but the vast wilderness below. But it's not just about the adrenaline rush, it's about the stakes involved. Mr. Beast, known for his outrageous challenges and epic giveaways, decided to turn this zipline adventure into a financial game changer. How? Here is how it works. Contestants must complete the zipline ride while facing various challenges along the way. Each challenge holds a cash prize ranging from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. What is the big amount, guys? But there is a twist. If they fail the challenge, they lose their chance at the prize and risk plummeting. Okay, into a pool of ice cold water below. Talk about pressure. Okay, this is not just a wild ride, it's a masterclass in finance and risk management. Mr. Beast cleverly intertwines entertainment with financial literacy, teaching viewers about decision making under pressure. Each contestant must weigh their options. There is a risk is for a higher payout, or play it safe. It's a real life simulation of investment strategies. Okay, learn this. Okay, remember this. Okay, from every my video. And if you have any question about my today's video, and from any video about anything, must write in the comments. I am here just for you. Where every choice could lead to victory or disaster. As viewers tune in, they are not just watching for the thrill, they are learning valuable lessons about finances and the importance of calculated risks. The zipline ride is more than just an adventure, it's an opportunity to engage with finance in an exhilarating way. So what do you think? Would you take on the most dangerous zipline ride ever for a shot at life-changing money? Let me know in the comments. Remember, in the world of finance, sometimes you have to take a leap of faith. Bye for now, subscribe for more.